Are you a teenager looking to make money in 2025, but tired of hearing the same boring advice? No worries. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 real ways teenagers are actually making money, online and offline, with zero experience and no 9-to-5 needed. Whether you want pocket money to save up for something big or even build a side hustle, these methods are beginner-friendly, flexible, and proven to work. So, grab a pen because one of these might just change your life. Number 1, freelancing your skills. Let's start with one of the most powerful ways to make money. Freelancing. If you're good at anything like writing essays, editing videos, designing logos, building websites, or even doing homework help, there's a market for your skills. Sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer.com allow you to list your services and get hired by people from all around the world. You can start small, $5 per task, and work your way up as you gain experience and reviews. Some platforms require you to be 18, but don't worry. You can still start with help from a parent or older sibling. You can also promote your services on Instagram, Reddit, Discord, or even local Facebook groups. And the best part? Once you find your niche, freelancing can easily grow into a full-blown online business. Number 2, content creation. Up next is content creation. One of the most exciting opportunities for teens in 2025. Platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels are designed for fast growth, and many teenage creators are earning money through creator funds, brand deals, affiliate links, and digital product sales. You don't need a fancy camera or a studio setup. Your phone is enough. Start by picking a niche. Maybe it's gaming, motivation, school hacks, fashion, productivity, storytelling, or even memes. Then post consistently, experiment with trends, and interact with your followers. Once you hit a few thousand views, opportunities will start showing up. And if your content starts getting millions of views, you're looking at real income, sponsorships, and possibly viral success. It's fun, it's creative, and it can be very profitable. Number 3, selling digital products. Third on our list, selling digital products. This is perfect for teens who enjoy working behind the scenes. If you know how to use free tools like Canva, you can design planners, checklists, calendars, coloring pages, resume templates, and more. Platforms like Etsy, Payhip, or Gumroad let you upload your digital files, set a price, and start selling to people all over the world. No shipping, no inventory, and no stress. Some teenagers are making hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month this way, all while focusing on school. The trick is to solve a small problem for your audience. For example, a printable study planner for students, a budget tracker for teens, a journal template for mental health. Once you set it up, it becomes passive income, meaning you keep earning money long after the work is done. Number 4, reselling for profit. Here's one that requires a bit more hustle, but it's very effective. Reselling. The idea is simple. Buy low, sell high. Visit local thrift stores, garage sales, or even clearance sections in retail stores. Look for vintage clothing, collectible items, books, gadgets, or even popular brand name sneakers, then flip them on sites like eBay, Depop, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace. You can also flip free stuff. Yes, free. People give away unwanted items on Craigslist, OfferUp, or Facebook groups. Clean them up, take better photos, and relist them for a profit. Some teens start with just $10 and flip their way to hundreds over time. It teaches you negotiation, product research, and entrepreneurship, all while putting money in your pocket. Number 5, online tutoring. And finally, online tutoring. If you're a high school student who's good at subjects like math, science, English, or even coding, you're already ahead. Parents are always looking for tutors who can help their kids, and many are happy to pay $10, $20, or more per hour. You can offer tutoring locally or use sites like Wisent, Superprof, Preply, or even just Zoom. Don't want to teach live? Create a study guide or cheat sheet and sell it online as a digital download. Not only does tutoring make you money, it also boosts your confidence, communication skills, and your resume. Making money as a teenager in 2025 is not just possible, it's easier than ever. With the right mindset, a little consistency, and some creativity, you can build your own income stream, no matter your age. So, here's your challenge. Pick but one method. From this video and commit to trying it this week. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Drop a comment below and let us know which method you're going to try. Hit like if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more practical ways to earn money as a teen, student, or beginner entrepreneur. Until next time, keep learning, keep hustling,